Where is it? I'm about to show out with my hands like this. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. So today's video is all about nails. Normally I would have my wine because it is Friday and it is still sip and slay, but we're going to introduce our wine at the end when my nails are put together, because right now they're a little busted, okay? Now we'll be featuring some gel products that I got from Nail Addict. However, this video is still brought to you by me because most of the things I purchased in this video was bought with my own coin, okay? So before we get into our nails, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, I need to get my natural nails together because y'all, they are rough, okay? I haven't worn press-ons in almost a month now, and I haven't been taking my biotin like I normally, should be. So my nails were a little bit longer over the holiday break, but they just been breaking for the last week or two. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and just cut them down and go back to my normal nail regimen and get these joints together because, yeah, I need to feel normal, y'all. I need to feel normal, and my press-ons help me feel normal. Now I'm going to file my natural nail. This is an important step to do before you apply your press-ons. A lot of you guys say that your press-ons don't last a long time, and this is one of the reasons why. When I ask you, do you file your nails, you're like, hell no. And I show you every time that I do this. So yes, make sure you go in and file and buff your natural nail just to get off any type of impurities, lumps, bumps, any excess glue that you may have still had on there, all that, okay? Now this will be a gel set, and everything that I'm using will be linked down below. However, the actual set, like if I was to price this joint out and sell these, it would cost me about less than $5 to make these. If you have the time and the patience to do your own nails, definitely try it out because this is saving me so much coin. So much coin. I know Kenny is appreciative of my efforts, okay? Okay, I'm going to take some nail polish remover just to get off any excess like dust and stuff like that from my nails. Okay, just get that all off. They look so much better. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my nail sticks. I need 2 of these, and then this is a roll of like the little sticky tape, so I'm gonna take that off. Now I got these one just because this is what I saw on Amazon. However, they do have the little the stands, and I'm gonna get the stands because it's a lot easier to use the stands under the gel lamp than it is to use these. The nails kind of stick to these, and I don't really like it as much, but this is what I have for right now, but I will be getting the stands for the next time. These are the BT Art Box false nails. They come in different sizes. So the last time I used these, I loved them because they just fit my nail like perfectly. If you are someone who is finicky about ordering your nails online because you don't know if they're gonna fit, these are amazing because they have a perfect curve to them. They just, y'all, they're just perfect. They have 10 different sizes, so you should be able to find your size. If these are too long for you, you can definitely buy the shorter ones, or you can just cut these ones. But let me go ahead and size out my nails really quick. Okay, all my nails are sized out, and now I need to stick them to my nail form. So I'm just going to peel off the red tape on the back, and I'm going to put these on pretty much biggest to small. Can I bring you guys in a little bit closer? So before we do our colors, I need to do my base coat. So this is the base coat from Nail Addict. Again, they sent me these polishes to try out last year, and I did try them out on Instagram, but I didn't actually make a video for them on YouTube, so I figured I'd go ahead and do the polishes again. They range in price from about $10 to $20. You will need to use the base coat before you do your nails, so just be mindful of that. Don't try to do it without it because I tried that and it didn't work out. And one coat is fine. Okay, I'm going to bring over my my light here. This is also from Amazon. I got it for about $20, and I'm going to stick that under the lamp just to cure that. And so this one you have 30, 60, or 90 seconds. Most of the time I do 60 seconds. However, sometimes I'll, do 90. Okay, so they sent me a couple different colors. However, I want to keep mine very simple today, so I'm going to use This is Sea Swing and Sun. I purchased this with my own coin. It was $10 when I got it because it was $10 off. And I love this color. Okay, so I'm going to use again the Sea Swing and Sun. Say that 10 times fast. You can't. It's a tongue twister, okay? And I'm going to paint my nails now, okay? I should not be doing this on white. Okay, this feels better to me. Okay, so I'm gonna paint these, and I'm gonna do 3 coats of this color. So after each coat, I have to put it under the lamp to let it cure. And I'm gonna do 90 seconds for each one. So you don't gotta be a nail tech to do any of this. It is literally just polish. Okay, well, this is the 2nd coat of the first one, and already it looks good. Look at that. So that is 3 coats right there. Okay, so now that those are done, that's what we have for the 3 coats. They look really good. I love this color, y'all. I love this color. It's so, so pretty. Now, because I'm doing a jewel design on my nails, I'm gonna do my top coat first. You will need this to seal your nails after you finish all the polish. I'm gonna put that under for 60 seconds. Now I could have did this next step before I did the top coat, but I wasn't really sure how that was gonna work. So I'm gonna use my glue just to see how this turns out. If it turns out not that great, I will do the top coat after I do the gems next time. But for this one, I'm gonna use my glue just to make sure they're on there. All these gems I got from Amazon, okay? They come in multi-packs. I also got some brushes from Amazon, so if you wanna do any type of like designs or different type of brush strokes, you can definitely use these to do that. They're actually made for nails, so you know, that's what that's for. But for this, I'm gonna use my little gem popper. I finally found it, but it is my jewel picker. I got it from Hobby Lobby. It has 2 different ends, so it has a thicker end and then it has a skinnier end. So I will be using this side because the gems that I'm using are pretty small, so yeah. Okay, and I think I'm gonna use these colors here. I think that's what I want. Let's bring out these 2. I really want to learn how to do the foils. Eventually I'll learn how to do it, but right now I ain't ready yet. I ain't ready yet for all that, okay? And I may or may not have already been sipping. Y'all don't see my wine on the table right now, because again, I'm gonna wait till the end so you guys can see my nails and my wine together. But you know, I am sipping a little bit, so I need to make sure I can focus on what I'm trying to do. So I wanna do like a rainbow look. So we have the red here, we have the orange, we don't have yellow, we have green, we got blue, we got 2 different blues, so I think I'll use this one though. This blue and then a purple. Okay, so we're gonna start with the red first, and that's gonna be on our pinky nail. Need to get my glue. Where my glue at? Now I don't know how this is gonna work. We're gonna see. Okay, so I'm using the Kiss Powerflex Max Speed nail glue, okay? And I'm gonna put a little bit across the tip right here, like at an angle, okay? That's too much, that's too much. Take my little gem, I'm gonna sit that joint right there. If it comes off, let's see. She don't wanna come off. This is gonna be the most tedious part because, yeah. Make sure you guys can see this. Okay, so I'm learning that if I do a little drop of glue and then just use the jewels to kind of move it around, that kind of works better for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is all trial and error, y'all, because I've never used the jewels before, not in this manner anyway. I'm doing 4 across and then 3 and then 2 and then 1. That's the order I'm doing. Definitely a lot faster doing it this way. I knew I would get it eventually. It took me some time. So that's how that looks. Now that I know, so now that one is done, I can do the other one in a lot faster time. Let that dry. I'm gonna do this one really quick and then we're gonna come back and finish up the actual nail set. So I'm hoping that I don't mess these up. I'm really hoping I don't. So we're gonna do another top coat just to seal this in. I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna see. If I mess this up, then yikes. So we're gonna do another top coat using the Nail Addict top coat. I don't wanna put too much of the top coat on the gems, just a little bit, just to kind of seal it. Okay, we're gonna put this under the gel lamp, 60 seconds. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so I think they are ready to put on. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Now, this is what I don't like about these little plates here. That's why I want to get that's why I want to get the stands, because taking these off are a pain once because the gel kind of cures to it a little bit. So you got to go in and file that off. The only thing that I don't like about these is those sides there. So I need to take my little clippers here. Gonna cut these off before I file it. So yeah, if you do your own press-ons, give me some tips as to how I cannot have that happen, because that is one irritating thing. I don't like that. But I can file it, like I can file it down, but there has to be a way to not have it like that. And these are already kind of curved in, but with the gel polish and the UV heat, sometimes they'll curve a little bit more, so you will need to go in and just kind of flatten them out by pressing them down like that. You don't gotta do it too hard, but just enough, put enough pressure on there, and they'll actually smooth out a little bit, okay? Okay, so you're just gonna file all these to make sure they're good to go. So you just put a drop of glue on your nail, put a drop of glue, move it around on the press-on. You're just gonna slide it back onto, you can blow any bubbles out, but you slide it back onto your nail. And then you just hold it. So this paint didn't come out as good as I wanted it to on the sides, because obviously, like I said, once I took them off the nail form, it kind of messed the sides up a little bit. So that kind of sucks, but we're gonna still rock with these joints because I love this color. Okay, I'm gonna touch up with a little bit more of the top coat. Get my little thing over here. Okay, let's do 60 seconds. Push that one in there like that. But they don't look bad, y'all. They don't look bad. It's just things that I would definitely change or do better next time. Okay, so we got all the nails on now. I'm going to use some of my cuticle oil. Where is it? I'm about to show out with my hands like this. But before it, where's my cuticle oil? Okay, so I'm gonna use my OPI cuticle oil. My cuticle oil around my nails. Get a little bit of lotion on my hands because they're a little dry. Okay, and I'm gonna pour me up some of this Cupcake Moscato, okay? Shout out to my girl Simone, she got me this. She got me 2 bottles of this joint, so I'm drinking the last little, Ooh, that smells good. Pour it all the way up, the last little bit. Go ahead and swirl her around, okay? Take a sip. Hitting y'all, hitting. Okay, so yes, Sip and Slay is now in full effect because the nails are done. I think these came out really pretty. I'm really happy that I challenged myself with that little sticky jewel thing because it was a little tricky, but I was patient and I did it, y'all. I did it. Y'all see how those look? I think they came out really, really cute. They look really, really good, y'all. This color is so pretty, y'all. Y'all see how this looks? So I think they came out really, really cute, okay? Okay, turn to the side. Let me turn to the side so you guys can see another angle. Okay, zoom in a little bit. So I will put everything that I use down below. So if you guys want to try these for yourself, you can definitely do that. Also, shout out to Nail Addict LA for sending me over the polishes. I really appreciate it. I will definitely be trying out those other colors soon, but I had to stick with my C Swing Sun? God dang it, what is it? C Swing Sun. I can't say that fast. I can't do it. Since you buy all the materials in bulk, per set, these are about maybe $5. Like, y'all, not bad at all. Not bad at all, okay? Maybe even under $5. So yeah, not expensive at all. I definitely like these a lot. These are really, I'm so tickled right now because these look good. These look good, y'all. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.